So hello guys, this is Akash Kashyap and today we're going to do the unboxing of Honor Sport Bluetooth earphones. So guys, here's the box itself and here you can see on the front we have this Honor Sport Bluetooth earphones written over here. This is the Honor branding. This is written as Sport earphones and this is a picture depicting how the earphones are. And guys, here is the logo of the Bluetooth battery, microphone. This is the packing list, guys. So here you will get the color which we have is the black color, and here are the earbuds which are of XL, L, M and S ear tips. You will get bundled with it, the USB charging cable and the Honor carry case, which is a good thing. And guys, on the back we have this and guys, this has the Bluetooth version 4.1 and its standby time is equivalent to 10 days, and the charging port is micro USB. Battery life is 11 hours. Is the black, red and blue color. Okay, so guys, this is the information whatever was on the box, and now just quickly open this and let's see how these earphones are. Fine. So guys, this is the earphone which we get inside the box, and that is, so let me just take it out. This is the carry case, guys, and it looks superb, very nice. And guys, here we get at the back this okay, so its model number is AM61, and this must be the warranty card and a quick start guide. Yes, so guys, this is the user guide of AM61. It is written in English, Dutch, French, German, Italian, Korean, Romanian, many languages, so this is useful if you want to read about this product. And guys, this is the warranty card bundled with it. Okay, fine. So this is what the documentation is. Let me keep it aside. And guys, this is the earphone, so I just quickly take it out. So guys, you can see here we have this Honor branded earphone. Here's the Honor branding, guys, and this looks like this, and it looks so good. This is superb. And here is the function key and the volume keys given. And guys, this is the charging slot. Okay, and guys, here we have the Honor branding, and this is what the earphones look like. Let me just open this case and see what is in there. Okay, so yes guys, these are the extra ear tips which is bundled with it. And here is the micro USB to USB cable, micro USB cable for charging. So this is what we get inside the box, and there is some warranty card and user guide too, which is bundled with it. So guys, this was about the unboxing and first look of this Honor AM61 earphones, which I just received. And guys, if you like this video, please like and share it with your friends, and also do let me know if you like this product or not. Thank you for watching. This is Akash signing off.